This is 1634 Sinclair Street. Now, this home is over 100 years old, but my clients have lived here for 47 years, which means this home has seen a lot of love, but it's also been very loved. So come on and see how well maintained this home is. So right when you walk in, we have a really nice, large, long living space, good natural light with vinyl replaced windows. Everything flows nicely here right into the dining room. One of the bedrooms is here on the first floor. You could use that as an office, a den, a second living space, but it's nice to have a first floor bedroom. And then follow me right in here. We have enough space in the kitchen for an eat-in kitchen or additional island storage or whatever you might need here in the kitchen space. These urban neighborhoods don't have large backyards, but you do have a nice, quaint backyard that's fenced in with a really nice, large 2-car garage. So that's 1634 Sinclair Street. Guys, this home has been loved by one family for 47 years, and it's ready for its next chapter of love. So here's the keys, and you know who to call for your private tour.